how to find the equation of a circle when we are given certain conditions. So in this lecture, the given condition is that we have our 3 points and we have to find the equation of a circle. Before we are going to move this article, the first question is that what is the known collinear points? They are the points which do not lie on a same line. For example, if we have these 3 points, then it is a collinear points because it lie on a same line. Collinear points. So we say that these 3 points are collinear. If we have our points in that situation, then these 4 points are not lie on our same line, then these points are called our known collinear points. So first of all, to understand this concept, so here is a question that we are given with our 3 known collinear points and we have to require to find the equation. So first of all, we plot on a graph that these 3 points are collinear or not to form a circle. Then we find the equation of a circle. So as if we write this form, this is called the x coordinate and this is a y coordinate. This is called the x-axis, this is called the y-axis, and this point that we meet is called the origin. And this is a positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. In a similar way, this is a positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis. So we plot it. First of all, this is x coordinate and y coordinate. So in x it is a 4 and in 5. So here is a point A which is 4, 5. And minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4, minus 3 means the point is someone here which is B. Minus 4, minus 3, here is a point. And the point C is 8 minus 3 means the point is 8. And here is a minus 3. So here these are 3 points and these are known collinear points. So we make a circle on it by drawing a curve on it. Basically we form a circle. So for this, write the general equation of a circle. So we use the general equation of circle that we already discussed in a previous lecture, standard equation and general equation, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, which is equal to 0, where g, f and c are the constants. As these 3 points lie on a circle that we draw here, then it must satisfy this general equation of a circle. So for this, put these 3 points one by one in this equation, and our aim is just to calculate the value of g, f and c and then put back in this equation to get the final equation of a circle by using these 3 points. We say that this equation is equation A. So if put the point A which is 4, 5 in A equation, then solve it. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y which is 5. So it will be 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g is unknown, and the value of x which is 4 plus 2f and the value of y which is 5 plus c is again unknown, which is equals to 0. Now to solve this. So it will be 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus 10f plus c, which is equals to 0. So we write it as 8g plus 10f plus c and add these two numbers, so it will be 41, which is equals to 0. And say this equation is equation 1. If we put the point B, which is this point, minus 4, minus 3 in A equation, there the value of x is minus 4 square plus the value of y which is minus 3 square plus 2g and x which is minus 4 plus 2f and it will be minus 3 plus c, which is equals to 0. Now to solve this. So it will be 4, 4, 16 plus 9, because whenever we take a negative sign of square, so it always positive, minus 8g minus 6f plus c, which is equals to 0. And if we further simplify, minus 8g minus 6f plus c and plus 25 which is equals to 0, and we say that this is equation 2. We put the last point which is 8 minus 3 in equation A, which is this equation. So the value of x is 8 in this case, 8 square plus minus 3 square plus 2gx, which is 8 plus 2fy, and the y is minus 3 plus c, which is equals to 0. So it will be 64 plus 9 plus 16g minus 6f plus c, which is equals to 0. 16g minus 6f plus c, and to add these two numbers it will be 73, which is equals to 0. And we said that this is equation 3. Basically we use these three equations to find the values of f, g and c, and after this to put the values in equation A to find the final equation of a circle. If we add first and second equation, then we can eliminate g. So if we add first and second, then first we write as which is equals to 0, and which is minus 8g minus 6f plus c plus 25, which is equals to 0, and we add these equations. So these are cancelled out and we are left with 4f plus 2c plus 66, which is equals to 0. We divide this equation with 2 and we get this term and call this equation which is equals to 4. Now we use these two equations and get this equation. Now to use second and third equation, we eliminate the g, then we can solve further. So as there is a 16g and it will be a 8g, so multiply second equation by 2, minus 16g minus 12f plus 2c plus 50, which is equals to 0. If we call it is a fifth equation, add fifth and third equation, 16g minus 6f plus c plus 73, which is equals to 0, and minus 12f plus 2c plus 50, which is equals to 0, and we add operation, minus 18f plus 3c plus 123, which is equals to 0, and call this equation with equation B. Now we have these two final equations with elimination of a factor g. If we eliminate the factor c in this, then we find the value of f. If we multiply this, 3 multiply by fourth equation, 6f plus 3c plus 99, which is equals to 0, called a equation C. We subtract B and C equation, 24f, and this will be cancelled out as a minus sign, the all signs will be changed. So it will be minus 24, which is equal to 0. If we solve this, so we have 24f, which is equals to 24, and the value of first unknown term f, which is 1. Put f is equals to 1 in C equation, 6, 1 plus 3c plus 99, which is equals to 0. 3c plus 105, which is equals to 0. If we take on the other side, so it will be minus 105, and c, which is equals to, if we divide this by 3, then it will be minus 35. So in this way we can calculate the value of c. So now put these two values f and c in any equation to find the value of g. We put these two values in third equation, 16g minus 6, and the value of f, which is 1, minus 35 plus 73, which is equals to 0. So if we solve this, so it will be 16g minus 41 plus 73, which is equals to 0, and 16g plus 32, which is equals to 0, and if we take on the other side, so 16g is equals to minus 32, and the value of g which we calculate is minus 2. So if we put the all values in equation A, x square plus y square plus 2g, the value of g is minus 2x plus 2, the value of f is 1, which is y, and the value of c, which is minus 35, is equals to 0. So if we solve it, so y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 35 which is equals to 0. So it's a final equation of a circle of a given 3 known collinear points. So in this way you can find equation of a circle of any given known collinear points by just follow these steps. So if you like this, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.